So today I'm going to teach you how to create this celebration poster design in Photoshop. So let's begin with the video. The document width and height should be 1080 by 1080 pixels and the resolution will be 300. Simply rename the document and create it. First rule is you have to be aware of the alignment. You will take the rectangle tool, then click on screen, and here you have to type 68 by 68 pixels and simply hit OK. Put this rectangle to bottom left corner. After that, set the ruler. Do the same steps with top left corner. Now let me tell you another easy trick. Select the rectangle tool and click on screen. Width and height should be 68 pixels and hit OK. Then select the path selection tool. Drag this shape to bottom left corner. Then simply right click, choose new guide from shape. Repeat the same process for the top right corner. You can now safely delete the shape. To begin, I will embed my texture. Drag it onto the main document. Adjust it with the ruler. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Place this top layer the bottom of the texture layer. Now import the texture, go to the file, click on place embedded and select your texture. Right click on it and choose create clip and mask. Press Ctrl+ T for transform and adjust it little bit. Next, embed the subject. Adjust its position. Select the bottom layer, then select the ellipse tool. Create a circle and simply adjust it. Now let's duplicate the texture. Drag this texture layer to the top of the circle layer and create clip and mask. Let's adjust it too. Create the new layer and apply clip and mask. Select the brush tool. Foreground color should be white, then simply paint on it and give it little bit of opacity. Select the type tool and I'm using the integral font. Now type your text. Adjust its position and change the color to black. Duplicate the text layer with Ctrl+ J. Move it to the bottom and modify the text. Press Ctrl+ T for transform, then adjust it to match the top text. Adjust the text and align it with ruler to the text. Remember, you always need to have the equal alignment from each corner. Let me tell you how to do it. Select the subject layer, then select the rectangle selection. Create this gap selection, add a solid color to the selection. Now you can use this rectangle for perfect space alignment anywhere. Let me show you how. Drag it to bottom and adjust it with rectangle. Type your text, then adjust everything. Always keep the alignment rectangle layer at the top for clarity. Now let's create a rectangle with different technique. Draw a rectangle with rectangle selection tool. Fill it with the solid black color. After that, align the shape and text with each other. Change the text color to something else. Now let's add the texture inside the 8K text. Create a clip and mask and adjust it. You can use the red rectangle layer for better alignment. Now move the rectangle down. Duplicate the black shape. Simply adjust it with the red rectangle. Type your text, align it with the shape. Again, bring that red shape down and adjust it. Select the black shape and duplicate it. Then move it to the bottom and adjust it. Now let's embed the YouTube logo. Adjust its position then. Duplicate the texture and create the clip and mask. The more you focus on alignment, the better result that will be. Now let's add my YouTube handle and adjust it. This time I'm going to use the Monster font with bold version. Once again, move the red rectangle to the bottom, leaving some space. So I will duplicate it and adjust it. Now I will simply bring my paragraph text, drag it and adjust it again. We have completed the alignment. You can now delete these shapes. Let's make some final touches. At the end, I will add hashtag Let's Design Together. There you have your design. Keep supporting Let's Design Together, and you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.